Just got our Stinger wiring order for this week. Not bragging, just showing you guys how much wire we go through to do these builds. We have 3 rolls of 0 gauge and 3 rolls of 4 gauge. This is just to get us through the Harley bike builds this week, Tim's Escalade, the CRV, and the van that we're working on. Hundreds of feet of oxygen-free copper wire all going in this week. Do it right the first time. Our shipment of Stinger fuse holders for all the Harleys we're doing this week. Make sure you're using quality install supplies when you're getting your cars and motorcycles hooked up. Keeping all our harnesses neat. Quick disconnects with XT90 connectors. Doing it right. Okay, so we have the new battery box welded up. We extended it down. We added aluminum reinforcements on both sides. And then we have double power feeds, double ground feeds. Then we have our 0 gauge feed fused within 1 inch of the positive terminal. Same thing up top. Lithium battery under the tail, lithium battery under the seat. Now we're going to do our amplifier feed coming off this post, our negative feed coming off this post going to the tour pack. All Stinger oxygen-free copper wiring, the way it should have been done the first time.